It's Lisa Flores here. Jim Pankey and I just finished another Get Moving Live. And this week our discussion centered around headaches, how to move the scalp, the neck, eyes, and even your ears more, and also around how to move more when you're standing. So before we get to those cool moves, please like and subscribe to my channel. New videos are coming out every week, and if you have a topic you're interested in, please let me know. All right, let's get moving. Perhaps an unsuspecting area that could use more movement are your eyes. Remember that cat clock where the eyes and the tail would tick-tock back and forth? I want you to do something similar with your eyes. Your face, your head, is gonna stay pointing forward, but you're going to move your eyes up and down, to the left, to the right, and you're gonna make a big circle one way and a circle the other way. So not only can you relax your eyes, you can also relax your ears. See this little nub here? If you press your hand on your face and gently pull away, it'll move that nub. Can you see that? You can also add a hand behind your ear and gently push away. Last week we talked about the spine and how it can flex, extend, side bend, and rotate. Your neck can do similar motions, so I want you to check what your current range of motion is. Look to the left, look to the right, follow your chin up, follow your chin down, and rotate. When you nod your head yes, this up and down motion takes place at the top of the spine where your skull meets the vertebra of the neck. The back part of that chicken motion is your skull basically traveling in a backwards direction as well as an upwards direction. It's moving up a ramp. Now a ramp is basically a triangle. And when you go up a ramp, you're traveling backwards as well as upwards. It might feel like you have a double chin in the end, but that's okay. For this next move, you're gonna wanna get down on the ground. You're gonna lay on your back with your knees bent and your feet on the ground, and you'll need a book, a block, or maybe just a really firm blanket or towel folded up to rest your head on. Now from that ramp position, let's revisit all those motions we just tried. So first, ramp your head up, then side bend, come back up. Sometimes it's helpful to check if your head slipped out of it. Ramp your head again, side bend to the right, come back up, ramp your head, follow your chin down without rolling your spine, so just the neck. You can look up. We did that one last week. And you can also go in a diagonal direction. So with a ramped head, you'll turn to the left halfway and you'll follow your right ear down towards the right chest. Come back up, ramp your head, turn halfway to the right, follow your left ear towards the left chest, and you'll get a nice stretch in the back. Don't forget to rotate with a ramped head. Ramp your head, and then turn to the left. Another way to ease head tension is to use your hair. You're going to rake your fingers through your scalp, hold on to the hair, so you'll rake your fingers and then hold on to the hair, and give it a little lift away from the scalp. Not too hard. And then you can twist it. So rake your fingers in, curl your fingers to hold on to the hair, and then give it a little bit of a twist. Don't have hair? Not a problem. You can still move your scalp with your fingers. Watch as I press my fingers together. It creates like an S-shape bend in the skin. So you can do all kinds of shapes all over your scalp, hair or no hair. If you find yourself standing around, you could also be moving your hips. Take a wide stance, and if you want, you can rest your hands on your hips and shift side to side. While you're shifting side to side, try not to let your knees bend. If you find that your torso wants to tick-tock back and forth, try this in front of a mirror where you can watch that the top half of your body just moves side to side as well. So instead of this, you're going to try this. From that wide stance, look down at your feet. If the toes are pointed out, see if you can bring them facing forward so that the outside edges of your feet are parallel to each other, and then try that hip shifting again. Shifting your hips side to side is your pelvis moving relative to your rib cage. So now we're going to try moving our rib cage relative to our pelvis. You can narrow your feet if you'd like, keep your hips still, and slide your rib cage side to side. Another way to do this hip shifting is with one leg in front of the other. So take a step forward with one leg and shift the weight from your back foot to your front foot, to your back foot, and to the front again. Thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you're experiencing the benefits of how small moves can really add up to helping you feel better. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you next week. Bye.